Went over it quick with the 3M rubbing compound, and I've already done this side with some other rubbing compounds, and then I went over it with Meguiar's 205, just kind of a quick, and boy, it's looking really good. Good. I haven't done the edges yet, but it's amazing how quick that shine came out using that 3M rubbing compound. And then when I hit it with the Meguiar's, with the foam pad after that, wow, it just came out real nice. And I only went over it twice with each compound. And I think because I used the 2000 and the 3000, it didn't take much for that compound to do its job. Really looking good. And I have my wife's approval. She said it looked good. I asked her to find the imperfections, and she said she couldn't find them. So I don't know, maybe she didn't have her glasses on, but anyway. Looking real good. Okay. I'm going to have to do the edges, probably by hand. Either that or I'm going to get a little mini buffer to put on my little angle, like my Rolock disc type buffer. They make those. I might do that. We will see.